Deputy Minister for Foreign Affairs for Turkey, and we are joined by Musa Kulaklıkaya. And thank you so much for joining us. He is in Ankara. President Erdogan has just in the last few minutes been talking about the US risking turning the entire region into a ring of fire. What's your position?
Thank you very much for this opportunity, first of all. As Turkey, we are really deeply concerned about the joint attacks by Israel and America launched against Iran, and also Iran's response, which also involved some regional countries. In fact, unlike the 12-day war, this time the war is triggering of a series of attacks spreading across the entire region, has shown that the conflict could escalate into very serious level, putting in danger the regional and global security and prosperity.
All right. Well, we had an alarm going off in the office, but let's just get it back to our guest in Ankara. So what can Ankara do in order to perhaps facilitate some kind of, I suppose, ceasefire or at least some mediation?
In fact, as we did before, we showed our effort first to convince all the parties related to this cause to sit and negotiate through diplomatic channel to reach any peaceful solution. Luckily, both parties are accepted our proposal, and they restarted their negotiation in Oman. And following, following opportunities, they continued their negotiation, and they fixed the next appointment in Austria, Vienna. But unfortunately, before the appointment, we witnessed this unexpected attack again, as we witnessed in June 2025. This is really upset for everyone, and our call to all parties to reach any kind of ceasefire immediately to prevent spreading war in the region and affect economically and also security-wise, and also to prevent any migration wave to different countries. As Turkey, we are ready to mediate with all parties.
One thing